Hey, how's it going? Roby here. Welcome back to the channel. When I was in New York City earlier this year for our Longines novelty reveal, there were two watches that immediately jumped out at me, the Spirit Pilot and the Spirit Pilot Flyback. And that's saying a lot in a year that also gave us the White Dial Legend Diver and this, the Spirit Zulu Time 1925 that I now own. Can we digress for just a second? I got to give a shout out to Say 05. He made this particular strap and he made it for this watch. And I'm astonished at just how close he got with the stitching to the color that's on the bezel. So thank you, I love it, and I haven't taken it off since it arrived. Listen, I'm just gonna throw it out there. The Spirit Pilot Flyback is the best watch that Longines has produced since 2017. And I choose that year in particular because that's when they launched the Big Eye chronograph. And for me, it's a toss-up between the two. Why don't we just take a closer look? Ever since its launch in 2020, the Spirit collection has been quietly transformative for Longines. That first three-hand model was more than just a pilot's watch. It set a new benchmark for the brand in terms of design clarity, technical legitimacy, and sheer wearability. In my opinion, the Spirit has become a sort of standard bearer for a refreshed Longines identity, a collection that not only honors the brand's aeronautical past, but also seems to fuel renewed energy across its wider portfolio, from the Ultrachron Diver to the Legend Diver, and even the Hydro Conquest GMT. The new Spirit Pilot and the Spirit Pilot Flyback continue this momentum, refining what already worked and layering in the kind of technical credibility that ensures they are more than just vintage-inspired designs. The Spirit Pilot three-hander takes what was already a strong formula and pairs it back to essentials. The 39mm stainless steel case has been subtly reworked for improved ergonomics, while the matte dial sheds some of the visual clutter of earlier versions. Gone, for example, are the applied 5 stars and the date window, details that, while distinctive, often divided enthusiasts. What remains is a stripped-down tool watch aesthetic, a crisp minute track, bold applied numerals, and gilt-colored hands that add just enough warmth without softening its utilitarian clarity. Inside, the Spirit Pilot is powered by the Longines caliber L888-4. That's a chronometer-certified automatic movement with a silicone balance spring and therefore magnetic resistance well above the ISO standards. It also has a 72-hour power reserve. The addition of a screw-down case back, which is a first for the collection, makes the watch feel more robust and purposeful as well. I don't think that this is a watch that was trying to reinvent itself. Instead, it evolves the Spirit DNA into something more mature, more confident in its simplicity. On bracelet and on strap options, it feels like a versatile companion equally at home in the cockpit, the office, or just on the weekend. So if the Spirit Pilot is a refinement, then the Spirit Pilot Flyback is a revelation. Longines essentially invented the flyback chronograph back in the 1930s, patenting it in 1935. The complication has always been a point of pride with the brand, and the new 39.5mm flyback is perhaps the purest modern expression of that legacy yet. The proportions alone will win over many skeptics. Where the earlier 42mm flyback pushed nearly 17mm in thickness, this re-engineered version sits at just 13.4mm, making it far more wearable. On wrist, the difference is immediately apparent. The watch has presence, but without the bulk, so gravitas without clumsiness. The design leans hard into sort of a cockpit instrument aesthetic. The matte black dial, the gilt hands, and applied numerals, all lume-filled, are crisp and legible, while the box sapphire crystal adds a touch of vintage curvature. The bidirectional bezel, now with a countdown timer, is more functional than ornamental and includes a reworked rotating system. But frankly, it's what's inside that really sets this watch apart. The caliber L792-4 is a hand-wound column wheel chronograph built on a deeply reworked Valjoux 7750 architecture. With a flyback function, silicone balance spring, anti-magnetic tech, and COSC certification, it marries heritage with modern precision. It has a 68-hour power reserve and a transparent screw-down case back that allows you to admire the mechanics of a complication that ultimately made Longines famous. True, this isn't the 13ZN. This movement is far more industrial, and it's produced exclusively by ETA for the brand, but it is still a sight to behold and a giant step in the right direction. I'll admit, keeping these watches under wraps for 6 months was not easy. The moment I handled the flyback in New York, I knew it was going to be a highlight of the year. It's not often you see a brand take a familiar movement architecture and reimagine it so thoroughly, especially in a case size and thickness that feels just right. For enthusiasts who found the earlier flyback too bulky, this new iteration finally delivers. Together, the Spirit Pilot and the Spirit Pilot Flyback embody what has made the Spirit collection so important for Longines. They look back with authenticity while moving forward with confidence. But as always, let me know what you think in the comments section below. And until next time, thanks for watching.